Hi, I'm Harismita. We're sitting at Amity University in Noida and we're talking about whether or not the government should give out doles. I personally think the government should because, as a governing body, it has a responsibility to the less fortunate citizens of its country to provide for them when they cannot provide for themselves.
See, basically, what giving doles is that you're taking it from richer people and you're giving it to the poor ones, those who are unemployed, and it is for their benefit. But don't you think this is making them rather more dependent on those who are giving the doles?
I think I quite agree with your point, but then there should be a proper governing body who should be very strict about the rules and regulations, and they should be monitoring that it should be for a very particular period of time, and unemployed people, educated and unemployed people, they should get the doles.
See, responsibility is one part, being practical is another part. We are a third world country and we have a population of 1.3 billion, I guess. And over here, the working class or the unemployed is a lot. And I guess giving 5,000 rupees per year is not feasible and it's not practical. It's going to make the country bankrupt.
Yeah, I support the fact that dole should be provided to the people because it's our higher calling. We have to give them. But with what he has said, 5,000 rupees is very less for doles. It should be increased to at least 30,000 to 50,000 because we are a higher growing GDP. With 7.38%, we have the highest number of growth ratio in terms of GDP. And we have to allocate our budget as to the fact that we have to provide doles to those people because they are the they get less amount of opportunity because of the financial status.
My point here would be I'm totally supporting you on the fact that we should give out doles, but the process of giving out should be more inclined towards equity rather than equality. Not everyone, but the person who actually needs it should get it. There should be a synchronized, organized way of giving out such a system, or there should be a system governing this fact or governing this principle about giving out doles.
I totally agree with Sophia. Equity and equality should go parallel. Equality is like just distribution of dole in proper divisions, but it should be with fairness, kindness, and justice. Because doles are the unemployed benefits, and it should be given to the less fortunate ones.
So basically, what you guys want is that there should be a strict organization who would be looking after the distribution of the doles. But do you really think the doles which will be released out by the government for those poor people, would that particular amount be really coming to those poor people? Don't you think corruption will be there in play? Definitely.
But that's an incredibly cynical view. I mean, have some faith. And also, I honestly think that with the right safeguards in place, like I said, misuse is not a good enough reason to do away with benefits or a law completely. There needs to be safeguards against misuse, but you can't do away with the law just because misuse is possible.
When you keep on saying that the laws should keep a check on whether or not is the money being allotted to people, you are being very unrealistic because this country has 1.3 billion people and a lot of ministers. So a lot of those ministers keeping a check on every certain individual, and we won't even be able to check if that money has gone to anyone or not.
Again, about the cynical view, we've been looking at the government since childhood, right? Everything is in front of our eyes if you are aware of it. If you are aware of it, and it's very obvious to what is happening, and it is very obvious to our eyes is actually what is going on. So getting a very unrealistic view or hoping that this will go well is not the solution to this problem, right?
We need to get out of our dream world and be practical on a cynical view because as Sophia said, we're seeing our government since childhood, and we guys are paying taxes, and we should be they are accountable for it. For what purpose are they taking taxes? Because India doesn't have much funds to raise doles.
Giving out doles, as I'm going to repeat again, it's a third world country. It's going to take a lot of years to come in power with US. So I guess when we are painting a rosy picture or we are sugarcoating things, it needs to be realistic, right?
I think the problem here is, or the question here that should be risen is whether giving out doles is feasible or not. For an economy like us, it is not at all a probable move, or it should not be done.
Well, if you know that India is the only country to be the first tie with US in terms of artillery and all the guns and all that budget and all. So if you are making ties with such first world country, as you suppose that India is a third world country, a third world country having a GDP better than England, I do not support this view. I do not support this view because we are capable to give, we are able to give doles because we have a very great budget. We have 1.3 billion working and we have 1.3 billion having money.
Thank you. I'd like to address what you said about accountability. You say you've seen these politicians and the government take away money since you were a kid. But there are safeguards in place for accountability. So if you want to know where your money went, use the RTI, hold your politicians accountable. Also, what you say about money going out of my pocket into someone else's, that is I personally I disagree with that view, because it's not your money. You're giving it to the government, which is your job as a citizen to give, to pay tax. Once you do that, it stops being your money. Then the government gets to decide.
Why I pay the tax in this country is not just because I'm the citizen of this country, but also because I want this country to be the best. The tax is being paid for the welfare, and if that tax goes as a dole to someone who's absolutely useless, then I'd consider that money as wasted. What I pay the tax for is for the welfare of this country not being wasted. That's the case with it.
Okay, but are you really willing to give up on an individual's well-being just for the sake of some grand nation of your country being successful or doing better?
See, what matters to us is that those funds, they should be utilized for someone's good, right? That is what matters. Is it really necessary that in order to pay the taxes and to get the tolls to those people, can't we ourselves reach to those, those deprived people through some NGO or some other organizations?
Last, I'd like to conclude that dole should always be made of economy based, because if I'm coming from a very good financial class and if I'm getting good marks in my exams, I should be given a token of appreciation, but not money or any other extra privileges which I already have. And that privileges should be given to those who have a low financial status, and that their position should be developed.